I've got something pretty cool, or that I think is pretty cool, to show off here this evening. I was looking in some of my stuff today and looking for something else, and came across this. Thought that'd be a great item to make a video on. And several years ago, can't remember just when it was, my wife found this for me at Goodwill. And as you can see, the price was $9.99. Swiss Army brand. And this is a Swiss Army brand watch. Check that out. And when I opened it up, looked at it, and it's actually got the correct time on it. So it was standard time the last time I looked at this. So it's been at least last time we were on standard time, last winter, and I don't know. I think it's probably might be correct. But anyway, some time back, I had to replace the batteries on a bunch of my watches, and this was one of them. So I was kind of tickled to open it up and find that it had the correct time on it. But this is pretty cool. It has this part here with the leather case, I guess you'd say, around it, and it's designed to hang on your belt. And then when you look down at it, you pick it up, see the time, and then just let it dangle on your belt. And then another option, and you see on the back of it here on the leather, it says Swiss Army. You can open it up. Take the watch out. Comes in this nice stainless case. This is obviously a new watch. Doesn't have any signs of wear on it. Still has this little protective plastic sheet on the back of it that's still there. Then another option for carrying it is with this chain. You can clip the chain on here. And then slide the watch down in this leather slip. Loop this end around your belt or your belt loop, if I can hold on to it. Like so. Like so. And carry this in your pocket. Pull it out, check the time, drop it back in your pocket, and your watch doesn't get scuffed up by all the knives that are in your pocket. And then this is the little booklet that came with it. And this is called the Marlboro Unlimited 2. I don't know if that had something to do with Marlboro cigarettes, or if that was just a name that the Swiss Army brand came up with for the watch. And I don't know what the date is on this watch. Don't know when it was made. And there's no mention of Victorinox on the watch or on the paper. But thought that was pretty cool. Just wanted to let everyone have a look at that. Slide this all back together here, the way it was. And there we are. Appreciate you watching. Leave me some comments.